The US Federal Reserve's surprisingly dovish monetary policy, where the Fed chair announced a 75 basis point rate hike, was a shot in the arm for market bulls. The ensuing relief rally in the markets catapulted the benchmark S&P BSE Sensex 1,753 points higher in 2 days, while the Nifty 50 jumped 457 points. With this, the frontline indices clocked weekly gains of 2.6% each last week. They also galloped over 8% during the month of July, clocking their biggest monthly rally since August 2021. Going into this week, analysts say the US Fed's comment may also prompt the Reserve Bank of India to go easy on the policy tightening.
We believe RBI will increase interest rates by around 25 to 35 bips this week. This is in spite of the 75 bips interest rate hike by the US Fed, mainly on account of flattish inflation in India, which we saw in June, and also expectations of moderating inflation going ahead. Though the inflation rate going ahead will still be upwards of the RBI comfort zone, but the easing path of inflation should moderate RBI interest rate increases going ahead. For the markets, we don't believe this 25 to 35 bips interest rate increase will have any major repercussions.
Meanwhile, ahead of the RBI's policy decision, stock-specific action will dominate D Street as corporate earnings enter their last leg. ITC, Zomato, Indigo, Lupin, Vodafone Idea, Adani Enterprises, Mahindra & Mahindra, Nykaa, Paytm and Titan. These are some of the top companies slated to announce their results this week. Technically, the Nifty closed above its 50-week moving average last Friday. If it sustains the level, it could attempt to extend gains this week. A decisive hold of the 50 WMA placed at 17,085 can push the 50-pack index towards its trendline resistance of 17,360. On the downside, 16,600 could act as a strong support. As regards the Sensex, the BSE benchmark can move in a broad range of 55,900 to 58,850 this week.
If you like this video, share it and subscribe to Business Standard. For more news, views and insights, log on to www.business-standard.com. Do also follow us on YouTube, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, Telegram and LinkedIn.
तुम इतना डर गए?
अब क्या किया?
शेयर्स में ट्रेडिंग।
तुम्हें 5 पैसा नहीं पता?
ओए, अब तो सबको पता है। 5 पैसा पर मिलते हैं रिसर्च टूल्स, पोर्टफोलियो एनालिटिक्स और इन्वेस्टमेंट आइडियाज भी। डाउनलोड 5 पैसा नाउ।
अब तो सबको पता है investing made easy and rewarding with 5 paisa. Investments in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.